video, I'm going to solve for y in log 8 in base y minus log 16 in y squared is equals to 1. So all we are going to do is, we are going to say what? Log 8 in base y minus log, you see this 16, I'm going to write what? 4 raised to power 2 y squared is equals to 1. Because 4 raised to power 2 is still 16, I've not changed anything. Now, according to law of logarithm, whenever the power of the logarithm are the same, you multiply the power by the inverse of the power. What is the inverse of 2? Inverse of 2 is 1 all over 2. So we are going to multiply this power by 1 all over 2, since the powers are the same, which is 2, 2. So we are going to have log 8 in base y minus log 4 raised to power 2 times 1 all over 2. Then we have what? Y squared times 1 all over 2. Then everything is equals to 1. From here, we are going to have log 8 in base y is equals to what? Log 4 raised to power 2 over 2. As a result of 2 times 1 will give us 2, that is 2 over 2. While this one is going to give us what? Y raised to power 2 over 2 is equals to 1. So we are going to have log 8 in base y minus what? Log 4 in base y is equals to 1. As a result of 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. 4 raised to power 1 is 4. Then 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. Y raised to power 1 is 1. Now we are going to apply the logarithm that say that when you have log a in base a minus log b in base what? A. Since the base are the same, is the same thing as what? Log what? A open bracket what? Log a divided by what? Log b. So minus goes along with what? Division. So what we are going to do here, we are going to say log 8 in base y divided by log 4 is equals to 1. Since this place is minus, we change the minus to division. So that means we are going to have what? Log what? 4. Okay, sorry, that is what? 8 divided by 4 will give us 2. That is log 2 in base y is equals to 1. So there's another law of logarithm that says that when you have log what? N in base a is equals to x. And you can write it as what? N is equal to this a will now be raised to power this x. So in this case, what is our n? Our n is equals to what? 2. And what is our a? Our a is equals to y. And what is our x? Our x is equals to 1. So in place of n, I'm going to say 2 is equals to, in place of a, I'm going to put y raised to power 1. So I can decide to write this as 2 raised to power 1 is the same thing as what? Y raised to power 1. Now since the power are the same, I will equate the base. Therefore, y is equals